take a sudden chill. Cruella, Cruella.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Evensyaxo coming to you with another video, and today I'm bringing you this Cruella De Vil inspired makeup look. She has definitely lost it at this point. She is basically trying to be a dog at this point. So I got this idea from this picture right here. I saw it on Pinterest and I was like, what if she definitely wanted to become a dog? What if she wanted to be that bitch, you know? So I took a little bit of inspiration from here. I took a little inspiration from Evensyaxo. I came up with this look right here, and I feel like this came out really cool. But yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Alright, so first off, we're going to start off by sketching our Dalmatian spots, well, where we're going to put them. I kind of want to do like a Victorian-esque look, so I'm going to do like a nice little bada boom bada bing and then corset strings going that way, so it'll be very like classy and elegant, but it's spots, okay? And then I'm also going to do like the half face thing over here, but I don't know if I want it over here or over there. We'll decide later. But I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild paint pot in white. And since I'm going to be painting with white paint, I have to take off this whole side of my face, okay? Now we're going to take our Elmer's glue stick, just your generic glue stick, and glue down our eyebrows because dogs don't have eyebrows. Okay, so that's all set. I'm going to take my Mayron Paradise paint in white. And with this, you just use a little bit of water and just paint your face white. Go to town. I look crazy. I look like this right now. Now we're gonna set our white face with some white powder. You can use translucent powder. Any powder is fine, but I'm just going to be using my white powder. Alright, so we're gonna do some shading now before we do the prints. So I'm gonna go into some black eyeshadow and start shading in certain areas to create my little dog nose. You can use a dog picture for reference, but I'm just going to be doing that just to make myself look as realistic as possible to a dog, but it can't really happen because I'm human, but it's fine. Now for a dog's mouth, they have really tiny mouths, so I'm going to bring this line directly down, all the way down, and I'm gonna just create a little tiny shading in this area. Dalmatian spots are not as perfect as you guys think. They are very like cluster-esque, and I kind of want my Dalmatian to have some like a spot, weird spot thing going on with his face or eyes, and I'm just going to create some spots. So now we're going to take some red face paint and outline everything, okay? If you freaking stitched up clothing to your face, you can be a little bit bruised. So I'm taking some purple and mixing that with some red and adding that to the outline as well. Now I'm going to move on to this eye right here because I feel like that's the only thing I have to do on this side of my face. So I'm just taking a densely packed brush and just putting this all over the outer perimeter of my eye. We're taking the dark green right next to it and we're just going to focus that on the outer corner. Now we're gonna use some concealer to cut the crease. Then we're gonna take a glittery green color. So for the stitching, since we've stitched it on our skin, I took some black paper, some black piece of paper, and I'm just going to take an adhesive and put that right over here and on this side, and just kind of like manipulate it so that it just sticks right there. So I added the stitching all over. It looks pretty good. And I drew on these because I felt like your body moves a lot. So you don't want to add something gluey onto this area because it's going to easily fall off. But we're doing crisscross motions for the stitching on the chest area. Alright, so the only thing left to do would be to add some blood. So this is the finished look of my Cruella De Vil makeup look. I added in some contacts, some white contacts on this side because she killed a dog, okay? These are dead dogs on her. And I also added some fangs in my mouth. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I have fangs, like dog fangs, because she's obsessed with being a freaking Dalmatian. She's obsessed with Dalmatians. She wants to be everything a Dalmatian is. She loves how they look. She loves the fashion. It's taking fashion to a whole nother level, okay? But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you liked. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button, join my little familia, get a little familiar with me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.
Not dots, spots, darling. Spots everywhere.